Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add shortcut on your Google Chrome. So here, let's just open the Google Chrome. Okay, so shortcut is where you add a direct button into a web page or an online apps that you are currently using. So here already on the Chrome, you can see at this there's all this option add shortcut. So what you need to do here is just click on this, and then here you can just name the shortcut. For example, I'm going to add shortcut for YouTube. And then here you can type in this URL. On first, you can open the web page that you want to create shortcut with. For example, here I'm going to go with YouTube. Here what you need to do is just copy the link in here, and then go back, click on add shortcut. Now write the name and paste the URL. Now you can just tap on that. So now the YouTube shortcut has been added. So if you want to add another one, you can just repeat the same steps. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.